Welcome to this review of the Mystery Heater Fuel Keg. This is a refillable propane bottle that you can use on your camping and heating equipment. It is such an improvement over trying to refill the disposable green containers. You're really not supposed to refill these. They're not intended for that use. And you can get leaks and all kinds of other things with these. They're just not meant to be refilled. These are, and they are a great solution. You will need the refilling apparatus from Mr. Heater as well, and it does come with some feet for your propane bottle. And we're going to step you through how to use this and refill these from your regular 20-pound propane bottle. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is put these feet on. You want to make sure these feet are situated as far around to the open area here as possible so that these give you maximum stability. The third one goes straight out the back. But make sure these are moved as far forward as you can get them for maximum stability. Next, we're going to put on the filler. You want to make sure you get this all the way in and tight. And you want to make sure that this is pointing up with the bottle sitting on its base. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this whole thing upside down before we open this valve. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and attach this bottle to the spout. Now you want to make sure that you align this hole, this offset hole, to the probe for the safety valve. All right, next thing you want to do is you want to take this valve, give it one turn or a quarter turn counterclockwise to open it up. And then we're going to open up this valve on the 20-pound propane tank. Before we start doing anything that involves actually filling, we're going to put some gloves on, just in case we have any liquid propane exposure. We want to make sure that it doesn't hit our skin immediately. Okay, we got the fill valve open. We've got pressure here. We're going to start filling this bottle up. I can hear the gas flowing. Eventually, we're going to start to get some misting out this vent port. That means that that gas, the liquid propane, is filling up and getting to this point. See, it's starting to mist. Once that goes steady, you're full. There we are. That bottle is full. Now we can just disconnect it. And we've got a very nicely filled up Mystery Heater Fuel Keg. Really, really easy to use. Super handy to have these as a backup that you can refill over and over again. It's a very, very safe system. Definitely recommend this over refilling the disposable propane bottles.
Shutterstock Music.